In this video, I'll show you how to create bulk monetizable content for Instagram Reels as well as YouTube Shorts using two websites. The first one is ChatGPT and the second one is Canva. So let me take an example of a cinema industry. So I'm more into Spanish movies. So to create bulk content for this, I can give prompt like give me 50 facts about the Spanish cinema industry in the table format. So when I enter a prompt, this AI tool will give me all the facts about the Spanish film industry. So let it add all the 50 facts. Until this finishes its job, let us create the design for our bulk content. Click on this. Once you reach Canva, you can search for Instagram Reel or YouTube Shorts since both has similar resolutions. So I'm on YouTube, so I'll search for YouTube Shorts. Look at this. Once you reach this step, click on Create Blank. Click on this. Now you can add the background of this video. Let us go to Elements. Let us check for Cinema. And let us add a video. This looks good. Add it. Click on Set as Video Background. Once this is done, add a text. Text, a heading. Take it to the top. Then add a subheading. Make proper alignments to get perfect content. Once this is done, go back to ChatGPT and check. Now, this is the fact numbers and this is the fact. So what we can do is we can add the fact number here. Let us type the fact number. This should be the fact. Once this is done, go back to ChatGPT and copy the entire content that you have got. So it has generated 46. It's fine. We will take 45. Copy this. Copy this. Come back to Canva. When you scroll down, you have something called as apps. Click on this. Then you have an option called bulk create. If you scroll down, you'll get this option. Click on bulk create. Then enter data manually. Select this. Now paste the content that you have just copied. So we have added everything. Click on done. Once you click on done, there are some more settings that you have to follow. Select this, right click, connect data to fact number. Now the data has been connected. Repeat the same procedure for fact. Click this, right click on it, connect the data to fact. Now both the datas have been connected. Click on continue. Then click on generate 45 designs. All the designs will be generated with just a single click. Click on this. Now have a look. All the videos have been generated. Let us play the videos. So this looks good. Now, if you want to add animation or effects for the text, let me show you how to do that as well. We'll close this. Now, click on this and click on effects here. Now we can add like this. If you want the design to be like this, you can add it, or else you can just leave it as it is. You can even add the background. Then you can check for the animation. You can use typewriting. So once you do this, you can again click on generate 45 designs. So it is up to you how you want to display or how you want to showcase your content. I have just explained to you the steps. Click on generate 45 designs again. It will generate along with your animations. Let us have a look at it now. So our effects and animation have been successfully added on all the 45 designs that we have generated. This is how you create bulk content for shorts or reels. It is up to you how you use this. I have explained you the steps. If you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll see you in the next session.